What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out this ultimate travel trailer for families. This right here is the Surveyor Legend 303 BHLE by Forest River. This RV has a lot to offer, so let's check it out. Alright, so this travel trailer is great for large families. It has a bunk room in the back, it's a bath and a half, and then you also have double entry. But before we tour it, let's take a quick look at the specs. Alright, so taking a quick look at the specs, you have a hitch weight of 860 pounds, an unload vehicle weight of 7,743 pounds, a cargo carrying capacity of 1,917 pounds, and which puts you about 9,600 pounds fully loaded. You have an exterior length of 37 feet 11 inches and a total height of 11 feet 3 inches. We're going to go ahead and start up front, make our way inside through the first door, and then come back outside. So up front you have your electric tongue jack, dual propane tanks, underbelly pass-through storage, and then you have your solid steps up into the front bedroom. In here you have a queen-size bed, cabinets on all sides, as well as a window up in the front, which I really like. And you also have these storage cubbies tucked behind the cabinets on each side of the bed. This right here is the front bedroom, but right in front of it is the full mid-bath. So you have a L-shaped sink area, a toilet, and then a large square shower with a retractable curtain. And then stepping into the living and kitchen area, you have a really nice sized kitchen, L-shaped kitchen with a large farmhouse sink, a window, a microwave, 3-burner cooktop, an oven, and then lots of cabinet space. And then over here is your refrigerator. Now this right here is a good sized fridge for this size of travel trailer and how many it can sleep. You got your freezer on the top and your fridge on the bottom. Over here you have your entertainment center, pull-out drawer underneath of the fireplace and TV. And then across from that is your theater seating, really large windows, a large dinette. Now this right here drops down into a bed. I wish it was a U-shaped dinette, but that's alright. Into the back of this RV, you have a barn door that slides across to block off the bunk room. You have a half bath in the bunk room, and then check this out. That right there is a really wide bed with a trifold sofa underneath of it, and then the slide out across from it has 2 bunk beds. Alright, now that we have seen the inside of this travel trailer, let's head outside and check it out. So this right here is the campsite. You have a 21-foot awning, which covers the entire campsite, which is really nice. And here at the Florida RV Super Show at the time of filming, this RV was $49,999, which isn't too bad for this size travel trailer. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.